Hello, welcome to today's daily message. Throughout this week, I've been discussing some of the aspects of winter that seems to stand out and comparing them to the wintry aspects of the spiritual life. And so today I want to talk about how winter at times can feel lifeless, that everything around us is just still and there's no movement. We don't see kids running outside. We don't see our neighbors in the yard. And oftentimes we don't feel like doing much ourselves. And the spiritual life, as we know, can sometimes be lifeless and flat as well. That particularly can be the case after we experience some kind of loss, whether it be the loss of a job, loss of health, loss of a relationship, or a loved one. Every day can seem the same as the last one. Every day is just like yesterday's. The same old, same old. Now that might be fine for my cat at home, Lily. Lily seems not to mind to do the same things every day. But for most of us, that's just not the case. So how can we overcome that wintry feeling of lifelessness? I think the way to do it is, or at least one way to do it, is to look within and to see, experience, and appreciate once again all the goodness that God has given to us. And then to open ourselves up and to share that goodness with one another. I think this is the best way for us to overcome that lifeless inertia of the spiritual life, and to discover that there is life, there is joy, there is peace, even in these lifeless days of winter. Again, thank you for watching, and have a good day.